This is the time of year when lots of us are headed to some sort of get-together. Whether it's an office party or simply some old friends and neighbors getting together, signature cocktails have become a popular part of these gatherings. It seems that everyone has their favorites, whether it's fruity, savory, or even a dessert cocktail. One thing that many of you have asked us for is a holiday special cocktail that is Santa approved. Well, we came up with one that we know you'll love. It's a rum spritzer made with a splash of pomegranate juice and ruby red pomegranate seeds. You can even double or triple the recipe if you're expecting a big crowd. To get the recipe for what we call Santa Spritzer, all you have to do is visit our website. And if you do partake in a Santa Spritzer or any other type of adult beverage, please don't drink and drive. Make sure you have a designated driver or call a cab, Uber, or Lyft to get home safely. I'm Howard of the Mr. Food Test Kitchen. Here's to enjoying responsibly so we can have a holiday season full of, ooh, it's so good.